all the time, till I'm in my prime. Couple new blessings every time we pray. Couple new blessings every time.
Hey guys, it's Makaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my liner and how I apply my lashes, you guys. So this was a really requested video, so I decided to do it for you guys. So if you want to see how I do both of those things, please keep watching. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is go into this Rude Ass Badass Girl palette by Rude Cosmetics, and it's Morphe brush. And I'm taking that soft brown shade that you guys saw me put on my brush, and I'm placing that directly into the transition area of my eyes, just to warm up my eyes a little bit. When I'm doing wing liner and lashes only, this is what I do. I don't go crazy with the eyeshadow. I don't feel like it's necessary, especially not for like a everyday type thing. And I'm just trying to focus on the lashes and the wing liner. So this is what I decided to do. So now to deepen that up a little bit, I'm going into my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep. And I'm taking that same Morphe brush and I'm placing that all over the lids just to warm them up a bit. This is more close to my skin tone than the yellowish brownish shade that I placed into my crease, so that's why I'm using this. Now you guys, we are going to get into the liner. So this is the NYX matte liquid liner. This one is in the shade Black. I think this one was $6.99 at Ulta Cosmetics. And to apply my wing liner, if you're a beginner, I suggest you use a mirror that you can hold close to your eyes so you can really see. So I showed you guys a couple of the mirrors that I suggest you use, but of course I'm going to be using my mirror that just sits on my table. I've been doing this for a while, so yeah. So the first thing I like to do is go into my inner corner, kind of not really directly into my inner corner, but a little bit off, like literally. You guys see where I'm placing the brush? I start right there first, and then I go into the inner corner and attach it. It's really hard to explain, but this is what I do. And I don't like to do a super thick line above my eye because I have smaller lids. So in order for my wings to look, you know, not so scary, this is what I do. When you have smaller eyes, you have to do a smaller line above your eye. Now your wing can be thick or whatever you want it to be, but this is what you have to do for your eyes. So then I draw a line out away from my eye at an angle, as you guys can see, and then I connect the outer line to the inner part of my eye. So I connect the line that I drew to the line that was already on my lid. That is like the most simple way to do your liner. Like, it's so easy, it's so simple. I think a lot of people feel like you just have to go like forward, and there's steps to this, okay? You don't just get a wing liner like super good the first time you try it. You have to just keep working at it and figuring out, you know, what works best for you. So I went ahead and did that other eye off camera, and as you can see, it's a little more straight than the other one. So I want to show you guys a couple of different eyeliner styles. You can do one that's more cat eye and curved like that, or you can do the straight eyeliner, which is what I do for the most part. So I'm just going to show you guys how you can turn the curved wing liner into the straight wing liner. This is pretty self-explanatory. It's kind of hard for me to explain exactly what I'm doing. You're just making it a little more straight, okay? You're basically just filling in the blanks for the most part. That's all. Now I'm going to take this concealer brush by Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and cut off that more curved part at the tip of the liner. You see how that just quickly made it more straight? That's all you have to do, you guys. Like, improvise. Like, if you know you can't do a perfect wing liner, use some tape and put the tape beside your eye, and don't go past the tape. Or even if you go past the tape, it'll be okay, because the tape is going to come off and the wing liner that you put on the tape is going to come off too. So this is just, you know, a work in progress when it comes to eyeliner, y'all. I know it's hard. I know it's not easy. I know it seems like I'm doing it so easy, but it's because I've been doing it for a while. But now, before I apply my lashes, I like to use mascara on my lashes just so that they're, you know, black before you add the false lashes. Because sometimes when you apply eyeshadow to your eyes, you know, the fallout from the eyeshadow gets on your lashes. So that's why I do that. I went ahead and put some liner in my waterline, and I'm going to apply these lashes. These are from the company WINGED Cosmetics. A lot of you guys know that I use hair glue for my lashes. I don't care what y'all say. I'm using hair glue. I cannot do eyelash glue. It pulls my eyelashes out, and this doesn't. So, yeah. And these are my eyelash tweezers. I freaking love these. I wish I could let y'all know where I got them from, but it's okay. I'm going to be coming out with some tweezers really soon with my lash line that I will be putting back up really soon. So, yeah. So, now I'm showing you guys. See how I'm looking down in the mirror? That's what you need to do, especially for someone who has curly lashes. My lashes curl up, so they're not straight. I can't just sit the lashes on my eyes like anyone else. I have to sit them on top, like I have to look down so they, you know, sit on my eyes the right way. So this is what I do, you guys. I look down into the mirror and place the lashes on top, and then I smash or press my lashes and the false lashes together with the tweezers. And after that, I apply a little more mascara just to blend them. Sometimes you have to hold your lash or it might fly away. Okay, because I remember one time the mascara pulled my eyelash off because it wasn't dry yet. So be careful. Make sure your lashes are dry before you do this step. Yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it. This is how I apply my liner and my lashes. So simple, so easy. I really hope you guys, you know, learn something from this. I'm here to help. If you have any more questions after this video, I can try my best to answer them. But y'all, this is the best I can do when it comes to this stuff. So now I'm just gonna finish up my eyes or whatever on camera. I'm adding some highlight to my brow bone and the rest of my face because I didn't do it. And then, yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. Let's get, I guess, watch the rest of the video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support. And I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, as always, please feel free to like, subscribe, and leave any comments that you have down below. Also, let me know if these tips and tricks that I showed you guys helped you or you think they will help you, because they definitely helped me when I was like getting into eyeliner and lashes. So yes, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys, of course, in my next one. Bye, y'all.